Alright, welcome back to my channel, Vinsol Engineering. So in today's video we are going to learn on how to increase the speed of your computer, make it faster than it is. So for the first one, we're going to look at how to clear the temps files that have not been used again. So you can see all these are temp files. You can hinder or block your system from running at the required speed. So what you can do, they are just like cache files. Right click and delete. So successfully deleted over 500 something megabyte free. And the next thing is can come down here to still run ms config and strike enter. It will take me here, so I can come to service or boot. So start up general. So over here we have advanced. Now number of processor, like now this system has up to 4, but I'm running only 1, so I will increase it to 4. Maximum memory is 6 gig, but it was running at 0, so I'll keep it in the 6 gig, which is the maximum, and then OK, and I apply it and I'm done. It will require restarting the system. So with that, I've been able to increase the performance of this system. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.